Now let's talk about transfer expenditure of capital asset. You must be aware that capital asset used for CSR purpose as a CSR expenditure cannot be retained by the company in its own name. It should be transferred either to the implementing agency or it should be transferred to the beneficiaries. What about the expenditure on transfer? So the government has clarified that whatever expenditure the company will incur on the transfer will be treated as CSR expenditure, like stamp duty, registration fees, etc. will be treated as CSR expenditure. Now there is an important announcement. As you are already aware that Unacademy is a very big platform for education in India, and they have invited me to take some live classes on their platform. So this is the link which you can find it in the description also. You can join me live by using this link, but remember you have to use CSSHAN code while entering into my live class. Another thing I would like to share with you that there is a big offer which is going on Academy, and I think it will be beneficial for all the students who are going for IIT, JEE, NEET or CBSE 8 to 12th. So the offer is that you can enjoy Unacademy Plus subscription for 45 days. Just at the cost of rupees 239. How you have to take the benefit of this offer? First, click on the link which is given below. After that, step 2, you can choose IIT or whichever the course in which you are interested. I am selecting class 10th. Then there will be a plus and iconic. Click on the plus. After that, you will see the various options. Just click on the view all plans. You will find 1 month option 299. Use CSSHAN code and just insert that and proceed to pay. You just click on that button. You will see that the price has dropped from 299 to 239. Now you can buy the subscription for 239 rupees and you will get 45 days Unacademy subscription. So the big bonus for using CSSHAN code is that you will get a discounted price. That is, instead of 299, you just have to pay 239. And if you buy the plus subscription after your trial of 45 days within next 90 days, then you may get a huge discount. So that is the reason you should use CSSHAN code while buying this 299 subscription plan. Okay, thanks for watching.